Good morning to you all, children. I hope you all are fine and happy at home. You are getting regular work from the school. I hope you all are studying well also. Children, a sufficient time you have got at home to do reading practice, writing practice, and make use of this time. Is that clear? Today in English literature, we are going to start with lesson 3, how the kangaroo got its legs. Is that clear? This is a new and interesting lesson. Now, kangaroos are the national animal of Australia, okay? And Australia is both a continent and a country. Do you know its capital? Its capital is Canberra. Is that clear? Now, there is another animal similar to kangaroo, that is wallaby. As in the grammar also, I told you to play games of nouns, naming animals, naming places. Wallaby is another animal similar to kangaroo, smaller in size, found in Australia. Is that clear, children? Now we are going to start with the lesson and hope you will enjoy. Please put your fingers where we are reading and pay attention to the pronunciation part also. Children, let's start. Solve this riddle. It's a 5-letter word. You keep your pen, pencils, and erasers in it. It's a small bag. A pelican also has it. What's it? It is a... What is it, children? Any guesses? It's a pouch. It's a pouch. Now we'll start with the lesson. Please get ready. Long ago, the kangaroo did not look like this picture in your book. It was a small, woolly animal. He had 4 short legs and looked more like a rabbit. Children, though this is not a rabbit, but this is a woolly creature. Okay? Wool means the body was covered with wool. He was very proud. What do you mean by proud? He was having high opinion of himself. The kangaroo danced in the desert, in the middle of Australia. He wanted to be different from all other animals. He wanted to be popular. What is popular? Popular means he wanted to be liked by one and all. So he went to little god wall and said, "Make me different from all the other animals." Up jumped the little god and shouted, "Go away." So the kangaroo danced in the desert in the middle of Australia. Children, come to the next page and place your fingers. He went to the middle god wing and said, "Make me different from all other animals. Make me popular." The middle god stood and without a smile said, "Go away." Then the kangaroo went to the great god Wang and said, "Make me different from all the other animals. Make me very popular." Up jumped the great god and shouted, "Yes, I will." He called Dingo, angry dog Dingo, who was always hungry and always dusty. Wang showed Dingo the kangaroo and shouted, "Dingo, get up, Dingo. Do you see that kangaroo? He wants to be popular. Make him so." Up jumped Dingo, angry dog Dingo, and began running after the kangaroo. Off went the kangaroo on his 4 short legs like a rabbit. He ran through the desert. He ran through the mountains. He ran through the swamps. He ran till his front legs ached. As children, he was running, his front legs started paining. Ached means pain. He had to. Still ran Dingo, angry dog Dingo. Still ran kangaroo, dear old kangaroo. He ran through the trees. He ran through the long grass. He ran through the short grass. He ran till his hind legs ached. What are hind legs? Even his back legs started paining. They ran till they left the desert behind and came to the river. But there was no bridge. There was no ferry to cross the river. The kangaroo did not know how to cross the river. So he stood on his legs and began to hop. He hopped and hopped and hopped, just like a kangaroo does now. He had to still ran Tango, angry dog Tango. The kangaroo hopped faster and faster. He had to. He tucked up his front legs. Tucked up means he brought his front legs closer to the body. He gathered and folded it inside. His front legs became shorter. He hopped with his back legs. His back legs became longer and stronger. His tail became longer, broader, and stronger. He no longer looked like a rabbit. Poor dog Dango, angry dog Dango. He was tired of running. He could not catch the kangaroo. Down sat Dango. He could not catch the kangaroo. The great god Wang had kept his promise. The kangaroo was now different from all the other animals. Children, one should lead a simple life. The simple truth is not everyone treats success the same. Some people who achieve success remain humble, never forgetting who they are. So never stop growing. Know your limitations and admit when you don't know something. It is going to help you remain grounded. Is that clear, children? So never ever try to copy others. Children, now keep your fingers on the word meanings. Woolly means covered with wool. Desert is a dry, sandy area where there is hardly any rainfall. Popular means liked by one and all. Come to the next page. Swamps. Swamps are low-lying lands where water collects. Ached means pain. The legs of kangaroo started paining. Hind means back. Ferry is a boat that carries people and goods across a river. Hop means to jump high and leap. Tucked, gathered and folded in. Now in your classwork copy, children, you will write down the first question is of word meanings. You will copy down from the book in your classwork copy. Like I will write down first one for you so that you can copy it correctly. First is woolly, covered with wool. Please write neatly and clearly. In the same way, there are 9, write down till 9 word meanings from the book. I hope, children, you have understood the lesson nicely, and it is very important that and listening is not important, even reading is important. As I read the lesson today, you do the reading practice at home, learn the difficult words that are underlined or that you feel are difficult, learn all the word meanings. Rest part you will get in the WhatsApp. Is that clear? Take care.